So a good practice in generally for the AUBO programming is to use block comments. Block comments, it's a little bit misleading. You think it's more text and more comments, but it's actually a folder which can have a title and a comment under it. So let's add a block comment. If you look at that, so we can give it a name for initialization, for example, initialization. Anything to be reset by or at program start. Okay, so it's quite nice because we can give it a name and we can make a comment under it, which helps us a little bit more. Usually the comment cannot be empty on this one, and now here we could set like reset the gripper or doing some other stuff. The other advantage is similar like folders, you can move them around and copy them wherever you want. So if you go in and you do another one, and you say here main program, okay, this doesn't allow. Let's use an underscore for that. Main program, program part we want to repeat. Okay, so then we have that comment, and now we can put our moves and whatever we would like to have in there. Let's do a move J for this one. Okay, confirm. So use the current waypoint. Yeah, it's a good confirm. Okay, so now that you have this project, actually you have no loop or anything, right? Because it's running through, it will do the main program once, and now your program is finished. So if you do individual statements and you don't put it in the block comment, the issue is you have to copy every single statement inside of a loop. So we want to run our initialization sequence, then we want to add a loop. Yeah, in this case, we want to loop always. Could also do loop condition, obviously, like a start button or program run button or whatever. And now the beauty is with the comment, you can just cut it. And because we have a field here which is empty, we can just paste it. Yeah. The other advantage is that with block comments, you can reduce the programs very easily, and it's very nice and visible when you have a lot of these block comments where you can separate stuff. So now you can see, okay, this is my main program, I make a move, I make some other stuff. And if you change your mind, you can just easily move it around. Okay, that's for that video.